my god, look at that. Wow, it's so...
How's the taste? Hey guys, today we are going to be making the most creamy, the most soft, and the most beautiful egg dish you've ever tried. And guess what? There's only one ingredient that you need. Just an egg. First step, turn on stove to medium. Next step, put oil in the pan. Next, add 3 eggs. The pan does not have to be super hot. That's one of the benefits. And then as soon as it hits the pan, you start breaking the egg, start mixing. And you want it to become scrambled like this. So what you want is almost similar to scrambled eggs, but the curds have to be super small. And you don't want it to burn. You don't want this to have any brown edges. Just keep on mixing it. As soon as you see it catching, you see how it's cooking like that? Then I will lift up the pan so it doesn't burn. And slowly, you're seeing it's almost becoming like a custard. See how it's not really like scrambled eggs. But look at that color, it's so gold.
I want to go. Give me the go. I want to go.
Bruh.
How many minutes you think?
5 minutes, not too long. This is my take on an egg recipe by Jamie Oliver.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Jamie.
What he did is he puts it in a water bath, and it takes
a while.
And I've done that before, but the eggs that I'm making taste exactly the same. This method, I feel, saves you time. You don't need cream. All you need is temperature control. Look how soft that is. And at this point in time, it's pretty much done. And just look at, it's not raw, it's just super, it's like a cheese, like a melted cheese. Okay, so these eggs are amazing just the way they are. You can eat it plain. But to make it even better, you can take some toast. Maybe you want butter on that toast. We got some of this right here. Some cheese. Then, take your golden soft eggs.
Give me the go. I want to go.
So soft. And then also optional, you can put a little bit of salt, whatever your favorite spices are, and then I'm gonna put some parsley. And of course, like we say, looks good, but how's the taste? Okay, here you go.
Oh my god, wow! Thank you, Mahal. Looks so good. I'm excited to try it. The egg really looks so soft, like a melted cheese looking. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, this is so good. The bread is so crunchy, and then the egg so soft. It's so delicious.
Hey guys, so that was one of my favorite egg recipes. It's super simple. If you enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe. Comment down below what food you would like to see next. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. How's the taste?
You're old.
I see this pig just sitting there, and I'm like,
You're
no,
old.
oh no, oh no.
Dito sa Pilipinas,
You're old.
kapag
You're
nakita
old.
ng may bisita, hindi nagustuhan
You're
yung
old.
inihanda namin. Iba siguro may
Surprise!
I think I have a good choice.
bruh.